आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल अपॉन एक ऐसे शख्स जिसको शब्दों में कभी भी हराया नहीं जा सकता. He is the Associate Vice President of the Enterprise Transformation at Smart. The trainer, the sales champion, the one and only Tiger Devang Karya.
Stripping, I want it quick. Can you handle me the way I are? You don't need the cheese or the car keys, girl. I like you just the way you.
दोस्तों, स्मार्ट की दुनिया में आप सबका स्वागत है. दोस्तों, 20-25 साल पहले हमारे पास बहुत ही कम अपॉर्चुनिटीज होती थी, जहां पे मुश्किल से हम बीकॉम कर लिया, ग्रेजुएट कर लिया, नौकरी कर लिया, डॉक्टर या एक दो प्रोफेशंस ही थे. आज की तारीख में हमारे पास अनगिनत प्रोफेशंस है, अनगिनत क्रिएटिव जॉब्स है, अनगिनत प्रमोशंस, प्रोजेक्ट्स, ग्रोथ, कितना सारा हमें रोज मिलता रहता है. और आजकल हम लोग हर रोज एक ही मारामारी में फंसते हैं, किस तरह से हम ये अपॉर्चुनिटी ग्रैब कर सकते हैं. लेकिन हम उठ के वहां पे जा नहीं सकते. जानते हैं क्यों? क्योंकि हम सब दो बीमारियों से पीड़ित है. किससे? दो बीमारियों से पीड़ित है. क्या आप जानना चाहते हैं दो बीमारियां कौन सी है? सच्ची? क्या आप जानना चाहते हैं कि उसका इलाज क्या है? क्या आप चाहते हैं कि रोज जो भी हमारे सामने रोज लगातार हर पल जो भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज आती है उससे हम ग्रैब करके हम आगे बढ़े? यस और नो? Unless and until a benefit is understood by you as a buyer, I guarantee that none of you people will buy that particular product or services. Yes or no? That it's not what you say, but how you say that makes a lot of difference. Do you agree with me, all of y'all? Yeah, I was just struggling for years to talk to my customers and convince them what am I doing and they should buy my services. That's the same concept that we have implemented in our communication, business communication, to ensure in smallest time we come back with the results that we actually wanted. Same kind of communication. जब हम अपने customers, अपने clients, अपने workers, अपने employees, अपने दोस्त, अपनी wife, दूसरों की नहीं, अपनी वाइफ और अपने बच्चों के साथ करते हैं और जब वहां से तुम्हें रिस्पॉन्स मिलता है, नाउ दैट इज व्हाट द एक्चुअल सक्सेस मींस. गुरु गोविंद साहब कहते हैं, एक ने कही दूजे ने मानी. एक ने कही दूजे ने मानी मतलब जिसने, अगर आपने एक बार किसी को बोल दिया और वो उसी टाइम में समझ गया, उससे बढ़िया कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स कोई हो सकती है दोस्तों. Every 2 months we will have such kind of 2 days of session जहां पे हम लोग वापस से ब्रश अप करेंगे अपने स्किल्स के लिए. And how we can become a better sales leaders, not just sales people, but sales leaders. A lot of things that we want to do in this. Market में लोग दोस्तों जब जैसे वो मछलियाँ काटा जब डाला था, वो मछली को ही मालूम है ना कि ये काटा किसने डाला हुआ है. Yes or no? Similarly, when you typically go like a salesperson and talk to the customer, ले लीजिए ना sir. When you say like that, उसको समझ में आ जाता है कि आप सारा कुछ बेचने के लिए आए. या जैसे ही आप फोन करके बोलते हैं, sir, I want to meet you, sir. Can I come, sir? जितना ज्यादा सर मैडम यूज करोगे फोन पे, वैसे ही हालत होगा तुम्हारा. जैसे ही वो तुम लोग खड़े हो ना, वो पकड़ के वैसे ही होगा. What you said is right. Time and effort is not equal to money. दिन में आप कितने भी calls कर लो, without doing your suspecting and prospecting, if you're going to make a call, you will get the same kind of result. आप खड़े हो वहाँ पे काटा लेके, and you will see somebody else taking the business away from you. Are you with me? ओके. और हमें लगता है हमने तो बहुत सारा काम किया. जब आपके लीडर पूछते हैं कि क्या हुआ आज, तो आप बोलते सर मेरा 40 कॉल किए. कितना अपॉइंटमेंट? सर 3 जन ने बोला कल वापस फोन कर. 40 कॉल किए, उतना अपना दिन में उतना टाइम तो गया, बट डिड वी गेट द रिजल्ट? सो यू हैव टू क्रिएट दैट काइंड ऑफ अ सिचुएशन. इफ यू टॉक समथिंग व्हिच इज क्लोज टू हिम, लाइक जहां पे उसने खुद के अभी उसकी कंपनी में, उसकी ऑफिस में कुछ अच्छा रहेगा, उसका सजेशन, yeah, he'll be having some kind of proud feeling for that. So if you like something in his office, talk about that. If there's something beautiful written on his website, talk about that. If you like the location, talk about that. If there are wonderful interiors, talk about that. If he's wearing a good attire, talk about that. If he's really good, it's really good. It has to be good. It reminds me of my days and some kind of example which has happened with me. You know, I think a lot of people जिसको मैंने ट्रेनिंग थे उनको मालूम है ये. I'll share it very quickly with you. I remember मैं जब गया, I mean I'm very much fond of ties. तो मैं एक कस्टमर के पास गया, तो मैंने उसको बोला it's a wonderful tie that you are wearing. अब क्या मालूम शायद सुबह सुबह झगड़ा करके आ रहेगा वो. मेरे को बोलता is it? बोला yes, I hate it. I'm wearing it just because my wife has gifted it to me. No? I don't know what to do. For a moment I was blank. let me tell you one thing, sir. Your wife has a wonderful taste. First, she knows who's the best for her, which is you. And she also knows what is best suits on you. That's why she gifted this to you. So according to me, it's a very nice, So please pass my compliments to her. She's got a nice taste as well, in terms of time and in terms of you as well. इतना बोल के उतना ज़्यादा बोलेगा तो फिर वो मैरिज काउंसलिंग में चला जाएगा. And also the agenda of mine. तो मैं वहीं पे अटक गया था. That was one example which has happened. दूसरा ऐसे ही किस्सा हुआ था. मैं एक बंदे को ट्रेन कर रहा था और मैं उसको फील्ड पे लेके गया. और जैसे कि मैंने उसको ये स्टेप सिखाया था, मैंने उसको कहा था कि मैं जैसा प्रेजेंटेशन कर रहा हूँ, नेक्स्ट टाइम तुझे भी वैसा ही करना है. सो ऑब्जर्व वेरी केयरफुली. आई डू, यू सी. ऐसा उसको मैंने बोल के रखा था पहले. तो जैसे हम लोग एक घर में गए, मैंने नॉक किया, घर पे एक लेडी आई. मैंने कहा कि हेलो मैम, दिस इज देवान काले कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस कंपनी एंड वी डू द प्रमोशन फॉर डोमिनोज पिज़्ज़ा. वी वांट टू गिव यू 5 minutes of presentation. If it's helpful to you, you can be a member. If not, at least you will be understand that what kind of offers that we have. So can you please come inside? She said yes, please come inside. तो हम लोग गए वहाँ पे, हम बैठे वहाँ पे, और जैसे वहाँ पे गया तो there was a wonderful painting there. तो उन्होंने कहा that's a very nice painting which is there. Very different, very unique. The colors are very different. It's something which is very nice. So where did you buy this? She said no, somebody just gifted us. It was our anniversary. Who is it? How many years have you completed as a husband and wife? She said we completed around 12 years recently. I said wow, that's really nice. Congratulations. In fact, I have a little bit of taste in this art. I like painting. That's the reason why I said that. So thank you so much for giving that answer to me. और फिर हमने प्रेजेंटेशन किया. That lady also took that membership card and we went off. तो फिर बाहर आके मैंने उसको बोला तू समझ गया ना, तूने बराबर नोट वोट किया. बोलता एकदम समझ गया, टेंशन मत लो, मैं बात करूँ. तो जैसे दूसरे घर में गए, उसने नॉक किया. वहाँ पे उसने वैसे ही बात किया जैसे कि हम लोग आ रहे हैं यहाँ से. We are here to give you a presentation for 5 minutes. And if it's helpful for you, you can take it. If not, at least you will understand what kind of offer do we have it here. और तो उसने बोला ठीक है आ जाओ. तो जैसे हम लोग गए, वैसे एक चेयर पे मैं बैठा था, दूसरे चेयर पे वो बैठा था, और यहाँ पे वो लेडी जो थी वहाँ पे वो बैठी थी. इसने इधर उधर कुछ देखा. एक पेंटिंग था, इधर बैठा था वो, इधर खड़ा हो गया. पेंटिंग. वो लेडी वहाँ से ऐसे खड़ी हो गई, इसको क्या हो गया? और मेरे को लगा था मैं दरवाजा खोल अंदर से भाग गया. She got to control your emotions and your feelings. Over excitement could lead to nonsense at times. So please keep a good proportion of everything that you do. So when you say this memory presentaries, you got to say it in a manner. I hope you got the answer of that as well.
30 points for right.
And Rajesh had given that particular, so please give Rajesh 20 points for that, not 30 points. For a good answer, good sharing. Yeah. कभी कभी कस्टमर जो है आपको अपनी बातों में कहीं लंदन टोक्यो भी घुमा के लेके जा सकता है. तो यू हैव टू गेट दोस पीपल देयर एंड ब्रिंग देम बैक. तो अगर आपको लगता है कि उधर बहुत ज्यादा था, बट यू कैन ऑलवेज स्विफ्टली जस्ट रिमूव योर हैंड. प्रोफेशनल सेलिंग स्किल्स, अ कस्टमाइज्ड professional selling skills, because you have to keep running behind your people. Every single salesperson of your company reports to you, and not only that, they don't even achieve their monthly targets. When they don't achieve their targets, you are not in a position to generate good amount of revenue. You are not in a position to feel very happy about the progress. You are not in a position to ensure that that gives you peace of mind and you can look into the new growth and new development of the organization. So we will do a 3 days of customized training program for exclusively. Not only that, if you remember in the starting which I said, the training programs, a lot of people do it. But ours is the brand promise, which we say, which is the 100%, not 100% implementation. With that 100% implementation, to ensure that you would want to reach to 4.5 crores, or to ensure that you have to get certain things in place like system and processes. Like when I was doing my MBA, I had learned, like my own professor, and this is the norm in any of the marketing groups, which they say, that if you want to increase or wherever the turnover that you want to reach, minimum 10% of that you have to invest. Minimum 10% of the invest. Now looking at your future plans of 4.5 crores, I'm extremely sure that if I ask you right now to pay 45 lakhs, I'm sure you will kick me out of this place right away. Yes or no? That's exactly the reason why we have come out with a wonderful solution for the exclusive, solution for the entrepreneurs who are coming from the MSME segment, where all our 600 entrepreneurs are enjoying the rights of the entrepreneurship at the same time. by investing a very minimal amount, they are learning a lot of things. And the implementation is unbelievable. How do we handle this price objection?
Add with a subtract.
इतना जल्दी कूदने का नहीं. पहला, इतना जल्दी कूदो मत. Right? Do you think his pricing would be only the problem?
Smoking out.
Correct. We got through the smoking out first before we come to this addition, subtraction, multiplication, integration. Well, Mr. Ghanshyam, it's not like that you are angry throughout your lifetime and 24/7 you are angry. In certain situations you become very angry. In terms of managing your team, in terms of managing the customer, in terms of collection, in terms of your vendors who supply you the raw materials and everything.
Have you done the Gurukul?
Have I done the Gurukul?
Yeah.
Of course, I'm a part of this organization, and all these strategies that we teach you, we are actually being taught to us what is the importance of this and how an entrepreneur is something who's getting the benefit out
Why
of
can't
it.
you join me?
Well, that's a wonderful opportunity that you're trying to give it to me. Believe me, I would love to. Unfortunately, I am working under this company called Smart, and Smart has already have made my 10-year plan where I would be growing from now till next 10 years. And I would, the same thing I was about to ask you. You remember I asked you that do you have a vision? And that's what we are going to teach you in Gurukul program. The reason why most of the small scale industries, they don't grow because they only get the good people. They never get the right people. In this program called Entrepreneur Gurukul, we would be in a position to help you with this particular concept called how to have a talent acquisition, where you not only recruit the right people, but you actually get out of your junk activity because the right people will just work and lead your organization in your absenteeism. Isn't that what you're looking out for? So like me, you will be able to find 20 more leaders who can take care of your business. Isn't that what you're looking out for?
सवार हो जाए जब जुनून सर पर कि कुछ पाना है, रह जाएगा फिर क्या दुनिया में जो हाथ नहीं आना है.